Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have something exciting, colorful, and creative to share with you, a gorgeous handmade flower-themed calendar. This project is perfect for adding a personal touch to your workspace or gifting it to someone special. The best part? It's super fun and easy to make with just a few basic materials and a pinch of creativity. So grab your art supplies and let's dive right into it. Process of making the calendar: 4 minutes. To start, we'll need the following materials: a thick sheet of white paper or cardboard for the base, colorful paper or markers for the flowers, scissors, glue, a ruler, and a pen, and of course, the printed calendar dates for each month. First, let's create the base of the calendar. Take your cardboard and cut it into a sturdy shape. Here, I chose a vase-like design to hold the flowers. You can make it as simple or elaborate as you want. Make sure it's stable enough to stand on its own by folding and gluing a small stand at the back. Next, let's move on to the flowers. Using your colorful papers or markers, draw and cut out flower shapes of different sizes and designs. You can go wild with sunflowers, roses, tulips, and daisies. Layer them for a 3D effect, or add details like petals and leaves with a fine tip marker. Now, glue the flowers to the top part of the base, overlapping them to create a bouquet effect. Don't forget to add leaves and some smaller flower buds for that extra pop of color. It's already starting to look lively and beautiful, isn't it? Once that's done, it's time to attach the calendar months. For January, I've created a scroll-like design with the dates written neatly. Attach it to the center of the vase. Repeat this for the other months, or you can make separate cards for each month and tuck them behind the flowers for a playful twist. Finally, add some finishing touches. You can outline the flowers for a bold look, sprinkle glitter for sparkle, or write a motivational quote for the new year on the vase. And voila! Your flower-themed calendar is ready. Now, while your glue dries, let me share some interesting tidbits about calendars. Did you know that the calendar we use today, the Gregorian calendar, was introduced by Pope Gregory XIII in 1582? It replaced the Julian calendar because it was a bit too long and Easter kept drifting further into spring. Also, fun fact, the ancient Egyptians were one of the first civilizations to use a calendar based on the solar year. And of course, they were also master crafters, so I'm sure they'd approve of this handmade beauty. Speaking of handmade crafts, there's something so fulfilling about creating something yourself, don't you think? It's not just a creative outlet, it's a stress buster too. Plus, making your own calendar means it's totally customized for you. Love flowers? Boom! Flower calendar. Prefer a minimalist look? You could do that too. It's eco-friendly, thoughtful, and honestly, a lot of fun. And if you have kids around, this could be a fantastic family activity. Imagine bonding over craft supplies and creating something you'll use all year long. That's the magic of DIY projects. They're not just about the end product, but the memories you make along the way. That's it for today's video, folks. I hope you enjoyed this step-by-step guide to creating your own flower-themed calendar. If you give this a try, I'd love to see your creations. Tag me on social media or leave a picture in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on my upcoming DIYs and creative ideas. Until next time, keep crafting, keep creating, and have a beautiful day ahead. Bye!